Now, you should know enough about leadership styles used in the public services by now, as we have been covering them in class to death. We've also we have plenty of handouts and notes and a copy of the textbook, and there's also information on the Moodle site. Now I have a little task for you, which should get you thinking about these. It's really important that you're able to apply these leadership styles to roles that are specific to public services. So if you click on the link just below me here on the Moodle site, this will direct you to a discussion forum which I've set up. As you can see, it's on my screen here, Leadership Teamwork PS, so public services. Now, when you click into, this is how it should look at the start. If you click on General Discussion, this is where it'll bring you at the start. So we click on General Discussion, and we go in. Now, I have set up an individual thread for every single leadership style you need to know about. So, I want you to go in, let's say we go into authoritarian. I don't want you doing all of these. It might be a bit much. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I want you to pick 6 of them. 6 out of 8, and comment on these. So, if I go into authoritarian, let's click. The reason I've actually picked this specific discussion board is because you don't actually have to log in, so you can choose a guest name. I want you to use your first name. If there are 2 people in the class, if there are 2 Sarahs, it could be Sarah R and Sarah J, whatever it is, just as long as I can identify who you are. If you think you're going to put in a rude name in here in the guest name, or you're going to be putting jokes or not sticking to the task, I will know who it is because I have linked this with the Moodle page where I can tell who is online at what time and who actually was the person who did this. So it is a task, it is to be done, it's to be carried out sensibly. You're 17, 18, some of you a little bit older. You should have the sense now to act like an adult, especially if you want to move into a public service role. So, enough of that. When we go into each one, so let's go into authoritarian. I want you to type in the box here an example in the public services as to how you could use this specific leadership style. So, for example, authoritarian, where could we use that? Well, we could use that in the military. If you were in a conflict situation in Afghanistan or wherever they are on tour, and contact happens with the enemy, shots are fired, and somebody gets injured, at which stage the leader would have to adopt a certain style. Authoritarian would be the one in that situation that would be best used. I know it might seem like bullying, it's shouting, it's not very nice, it's mean, but at the same time, it gets the job done. Someone's injured, you need to get them off the battlefield, you need to get them to safety, and you need to think of your own safety as well. So that would be where you could use that one. So you would type in here the information as to exactly how it could be used, keep it UK based, and then post your reply. So I haven't actually posted that there, but it would appear in this section. So if we were to go to bureaucratic, for example, where would you use that leadership style? Well, you'd obviously use that in maybe the fire service. You know why? We've covered these in class, so this is just testing your knowledge as to what you've learned. After that, you don't need to upload anything to Moodle after that. I will be able to go in and check that you've done it. It's not a difficult task. If you're feeling ambitious or you want to get ahead, there's no problem if you want to do all 8 of them. In fact, I may even change my mind beforehand and tell you to do all 8. But you get how it works now. Very straightforward, easy task. You should have probably used discussion forums before. And good luck.